weather.
It is warmer right now than your average February afternoon would be around 3 p.m., which is typically the peak of daytime heating. It's 68 in Birmingham, and we're at 10:19 p.m. Dew points are in the lower 60s. We're not likely to drop all that much from where we are right now. Norwood has actually come up a degree in the last hour. It's 69 right in the middle of town, 65 in Vestavia, 66 in Hoover, 60 in Chelsea. The farther away from the city you go, the cooler it gets. Pell City's down to 60, Aniana at 62, but Summiton is at 68, and it's still close to 70 in Tuscaloosa and Utah, Centerville, Alabaster. And then Aliceville, Gadsden's one of the holdouts there in the 50s. The air's a little bit drier toward northeast Alabama, and that's why it's a little bit cooler up that direction. That's also why we might get a little patchy fog developing close to Gadsden later tonight. WVTM 13 Live Doppler, we are clear of any rain right now. I wouldn't be shocked to see a brief shower develop tomorrow morning, but impact from rain over the next 4 days looks fairly low. Yes, there's a chance of a shower each day, but they will be widely separated. A lot of territory here in the state of Alabama not getting rain in the next few days as opposed to the amount that will be getting some rain. Look how warm it is here across the entire South. It's even warmer out toward Texas and Oklahoma and brutally cold up toward the north. There's a winter storm developing up here around Minneapolis. They're going to be measuring snow by the foot there in southern and central Minnesota in the next few days. But because of this ridge, big area of high pressure, see that clockwise flow that's got the moisture pumping northward from the Gulf of Mexico? Not only is that protecting us from weather like what's happening to the north, it's also preventing the cold air from coming south. But the contrast between the two is really going to make it windy tomorrow. Look at these numbers. Getting up into the 60s by 9 a.m., upper 60s, low 70s for most of the midday hours. And then with a strong south wind, we will peak around 80 degrees. Chance of some showers drifting into northwest Alabama about 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Going to be breezy too tomorrow. We're expecting the wind to be gusting out of the south in the neighborhood of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now, this is not a sustained wind, but it will be blustery throughout the entire day. Occasionally the wind getting up around 30 to 35, maybe even 40 in some of the high terrain, and that high again close to 80 tomorrow. 81 on Thursday, coming close to a record. Might be a brief shower Thursday morning. Better chance of showers with some cooler air sliding in on Friday, and then we'll be watching Monday for a threat of some heavier thunderstorms yet again.
Jason, serious question. Did you ever win a state championship in high school?
Did I ever win a state? No, I've never actually been a part of a championship of any kind.
Me neither, guys. But you know, we have some teams here that are still playing for their hopes, and we have teams playing for the state semifinals.